good fine morning to you. It is a beautiful day. Beautiful. I mean, like springtime beautiful out, okay? Look at this. Would you look at that? It's like 61 degrees and the sun feels so good. So good. And that makes me feel great. What doesn't make me feel great is last night, as I was watching a shit show on YouTube, I was curling my hair with a really tiny curler, and it came out great. It came out great. So I'm watching one live and then the other live. If you missed it, it was hilarious. I don't know if they'll take it down, but it was Miss BB and Yanni Bonnie B, who were, and some other chick too. They were doing like impersonation. They were trying to drag each other, but they were doing impersonations on each other, and it totally wasn't a dragging. And I would hope that nobody took it to offense, because it was fucking hilarious to us, and I think it was good content, and I think it was a really good idea. But anyway, as I was watching that, I was curling my hair. Okay, I finished curling my hair at like 2 o'clock in the morning. I think the last impersonation was at almost 3 o'clock in the morning. So you know, I washed my face, did everything by the end of the night, and then Yanni went live again, and I couldn't stick around. It was like almost 4 o'clock in the morning. I don't know what the hell they doing at 4 o'clock in the morning, like up like that. It's not funny anymore when you're half asleep trying to watch it, okay? But so I was done with that. My hair was good. Okay, hold on, let me turn the light. My hair was good. What in the holy fuck? I put this cap on thinking, okay, I did not touch the curls, so the curls should be good. Well, I don't know what the hell I did, but by the time I woke up, this whole side of my head was uncurled. So I had to re-curl it this morning, which did not make me very happy, because I'm trying to get out of this house, and I was not about to walk out the house with a head full of curls on this side that were great. I must have just slipped on this side, and I woke up sweating. Anyway, and I woke up late. It was like 11 o'clock, but it's Sunday, so you know. But anyway, nonetheless, I had to recurl my hair, so that didn't make for a good day. I mean, a good morning, because I was a little frustrated, but that's besides the point. Today, I'm about to go take a shower, and we are going to get out the house. So I'm gonna take you guys with me, and you could see a day in the life of Melisandre and the crew. Okay? Okay, I'm going to jump in the shower. I'm gonna get my face right. It's a good day. Curls are just curls. Who the fuck cares, really? If I really cared, I could have just put it up in a ponytail, but whatever. Not a big deal. But I'm gonna take you guys with me. So let's go. So here's the hair. It's okay. It's not as curly as I wanted it, but it's okay. So I just gotta get the brows on, and we're ready to go. I'll see you in a minute. Well, they're not waiting for me. I got till 2 o'clock. So far, it took me 7 minutes to do all this. So it's not, I don't really do too much. I used to do a lot more. If I didn't curl my hair, I would have just put it in a ponytail. You guys know that. But today is a different kind of day. My teeny tiny little brows. Alright, you guys are dying, so I'll be back. I'll be back. Brows are done. So, as you can see, we're at the park. I'm gonna pop you off this thing. I'm about to get on this thing. Wonder if I could set this up somewhere. Here, hold on. Oh, thank God, because sometimes we come to the park and like there's so many kids, but I mean, if it was me, I'd be like, hey, so you wanna play? But Angie is shy like that. I don't know where she got that shit from, but so for a second, she was walking around with me on this track thing. And she was all in a poopy mood because she was bored. But all she really had to do was ask somebody to play. But you know, some kids, she doesn't like to do that anymore because there were some real fresh kids at this park. And she asked them and they like ignored her. Or they were like, no, you know, they were fresh. So it's like she used to always ask. But now she's a little hesitant. But anyway, she found a friend. She's playing hide and seek, which is awesome. And this is about my 4th time walking around while I watch Angie. Keep my eye on Angie in the park because you never know. You know what I'm saying? There's some crazy people in this world that just steal your fucking child and try to sell them on the black market. Anyway. Okay, so just like Angie thought, every time she finds a friend to play with, they always end up leaving. So they left. But I told Angie to get back on that bouncy thing because nobody ever wants to bounce by themselves. So once they see somebody on it, they want to come bounce. And boom, that's when you make a friend to play with. There's somebody on there right now, so they're too little.
Another girl just went on it.
Well, wait till they get off.
I have
Put your hands up.
I went down the wrong thing.
You're cold.
No, I'm not.
Your arm's just cold.
Oh.
So the boys are playing basketball. You want to go check on the boys? Let's go see what they're doing. Come on.
No.
I'm going to check the guys. You got to come. No, you got to come. Come on, let's just go over there and see them play.
No, please.
Really quick. Come on, let's run.
I want to go to the park, please.
You can't be at the park by yourself.
Please.
No.
Please.
You heard me. Come on.
Please. The basketball's boring.
I'll be back when we get to the basketball court. You're by yourself. It's too far away. I cannot save you, child. From there to there.
That's why you shouldn't go.
That's why I'm going and we'll go back.
But I'm going to go away.
Go run. Run over there. Go. Let me see how fast you run. Stop being a brat. Go. I'm not going till you go.
Nice.
Coming.
Mom,
I'm coming.
Stop.
I'm coming. He thinks he's funny, guys.
I should have picked other people on my team.
He just played me.
What happened?
What happened? What happened? He got a jammy. Where are we going?
Huh? Slushies.
Huh?
My dad,
I don't want no slushies. Coke.
I'll buy you a soda. Juice.
I want slushy.
I'll buy you a milkshake. Because the milkshake
Brings other boys to the yard. They're like, it's better than yours. Damn right. It's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to try.
If you want it.
Anyway, Keela pretended like he broke his hand.
He got her
Because
good.
he got jammed. Yeah, he did. He got
Did
me
you
good.
really break it out? Like, yeah, baby, you really did.
I gotta go to the hospital, he
Start
said.
taking her. Start taking
I
her
took my
earplug
ear thing out.
so she can hear me. Are you serious? Nah,
Jerk.
I'm just playing.
Anyway.
Why do people say that too? After you're hurt and stuff, and you realize they're not hurt, they be like, "I'll kill you!" Like all of a sudden, like,
Yeah, that's
wait,
what
you
I
were just
said.
happy I was good, and now you want to kill me. Let's get some
Like, all my
slushies, guys.
emotions.
You coming in, baby? You don't want nothing for real?
No. Mm-mm.
Cake, juice,
No.
soda, milk,
No, sure, no.
energy drink,
Nah.
daiquiri, margarita.
You can give me a thing of water, though, so
There
I
you
can
go.
reuse it.
There you go. See, I got you.
Oh,
You
my
don't
ears
want to come in
popped.
with the fam? No, yeah, you're good.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good, bro. I'm good. We good, bro. Fucking asshole. He scared me. It's his left hand anyway. So, you know. Anyway, that's about it. That's about all she wrote. We got some good old-fashioned vitamin D for your soul. And until the next video, I'll catch you on the flip side. I gotta go watch these lives in these YouTube streets. If anybody was in the live, you will know that I was at the park while trying to catch the tea. But anywho, ta-ta.